One of the very powerful features of ilearnOhio is its reports, which allows us to see user activity all the way down to when a user has logged in and for how long. Pretty cool. To get to reports, click the Reports tab. We have all of our different reporting options over to the left in the navigation menu. Let's start with the first one, Enrollments. Enrollments allows us to see who is enrolled in which class. As always, make sure that the school, year, and term are all set correctly, and then we can choose how we would like to have the enrollments organized. From the Organize By dropdown, we can organize by teacher, class, or student. Let's choose class. Now look over to the right, and we can see the different checkboxes that let us narrow down our criteria by class status. We'll just uncheck everything except active, because we are only interested in active classes for this example. And then we'll click the Show Report button. The results show us each class that we currently have active. We can see the class name, class number, number of teachers, number of students, and if we click the plus button in the right hand of the row, we'll be shown more details for that class. At the bottom of the results is an Export button that will let us export this report as a spreadsheet. Let's see the details for Mr. Sharma's class. Click the plus sign for his Algebra 2 class. We're given a breakdown of who is in the class, when they last logged into the class, how many classes they are enrolled in, and if they are a student, what their current grade is in the class. Next, let's look at attendance. Click on Attendance in the navigation menu. This particular report allows us to see attendance by class or by student. Just under the attendance report title near the top of the page are two buttons that say by class and by student. The one that is grayed out is the currently active one. For me, that's the by class button. If not, click the by class button. My current attendance searches will be by class. Again, check the school, term, and year, and class status, and then click Show Report. We're given a list of our active classes. If we click on any one of them, we are only shown the students that are enrolled in that class, when they last visited that class's page, and how long it has been since they last logged in. To view attendance by user, click the By Student button. Check the school, year, and term, and click the Select User button. A Search for User window opens up, and we can search for a specific user and see their attendance record across classes. If we wanted to see a detailed breakdown of a student's sessions, we would click Sessions in the navigation menu. From here, we can search for a user just like before, and then click Show Report, and then we're given a list of the user's sessions, when they occurred, how long they were, and if we click the Show Detail button, we are given powerful glimpses into each element they clicked on and when. This is an amazing asset to teachers and administrators. If one of your students is struggling with an assignment, you can go into their reports and see what they're looking at in the ilearnOhio system and for how long. Speaking of assignments and lessons, the next option in the navigation panel, Progress, lets us see the progression of students in a given class. Make sure the settings up in the top are what you want, and then click the Show Report button. Then, select the class whose progress you would like to see. I'll click Mr. Sharma's Algebra 2 class. We can see lessons and assignments students have and have not looked over. And finally, we have the Summary Progress Report, which lets us see students' grades for a particular assignment as well as their current GPA. And that's reporting. Take some time to explore some of the different options and get familiar with this powerful tool. I hope you've enjoyed the Administrator's Essential Training course for ilearnOhio. Have a great time discovering the system.